Hello, this video is all about APA citation and the usage of Mendeley. This video is going to teach you how academic writing will be done, how in-text citation, the citation which will be present inside your text, that will be done, the citation which will be at the end of your text, that will be done. By the way, the citation which is at the end of your text is called bibliography, and the citation which is in the middle of your text is called in-text citation. APA, or American Psychological Association 6th, that model is very popular amongst all the academicians, all type of academic writing, research writing, summer internship writing, different kind of CIA projects. So all type of academic projects, they use it. We will also learn in this video how to link Microsoft Word with Mendeley, how to store our data in Mendeley, and how to get the data almost seamlessly into in-text citation, and followed by the applications in Mendeley to generate the bibliography without any problem. So we have to follow this video after there, and closely you have to follow this video. My suggestion will be to download Mendeley desktop software. There is a Word plugin, MS Word plugin inside. Click that MS Word plugin, and then you link your Microsoft Word with Mendeley, so that if your computer crashes or some uncanny instances happen, still all your data will be stored in the Mendeley server. I want to tell it very clearly here that it is used by some of the biggest institutions in India like IIT Madras, IIT Bombay. They all use Mendeley, and Christ University in Bangalore. These esteemed institutions, they all use Mendeley. So this is not an advertisement going on. This is a method of telling you how to use the academic citations, how to get out of this world of plagiarism with proper citations using Mendeley. So watch the next part of the video carefully. Good morning. Let's go through the process of Mendeley in-text citation and Mendeley bibliography generation. This is Microsoft Word, and I want to show you how to do in-text citation from Mendeley. So let me write some sentence. Suppose I am writing something like this. So I have written two sentences here, and in the first sentence I want to do some insert citation. So I will click here in the reference tab, insert citation. You can see the Mendeley logo here. These papers are already in my Mendeley desktop. So I am selecting one by one those papers. Then I am pressing OK. So 3 papers I have selected from there. Again I want to put some more here. So suppose my text finishes here. So this is my text. And now I need my bibliography or my citations. So I will go here, insert bibliography, and click. In no time, as we can see, all the citations are generated, and these citations are generated in APA format. Now let me take you to Mendeley Desktop. This is Mendeley Desktop. To add a file, I would request all of you to go to add, then add entry manually, then select the journal article or book section or conference proceeds, whatever is there. Select it carefully. You can even select a computer program, you can even select a working paper, a web page, anything, but select it carefully. The default setting is journal, but don't go with the default setting until and unless it is not a journal. Then click the title, put the title, click the author's name, put the author's name in the reverse order. So my name is Vikramaditya Ghosh, but I will be Ghosh B. So the first name of the author will be only the first alphabet of the name, and the last name of the author will be the complete name. So I will become Ghosh B. So I will become Ghosh B. Surname comes first, comma, first alphabet of the first name. Then the journal detail, then the year detail, volume, issue, pages, these are mandatory. And one more thing is needed, that is DOI. What is DOI? Digital Object Identifier is DOI. Other than that, if you have archive ID, suppose you have downloaded the article from archive, then put the archive ID there. Or suppose you have got the article from any other URL, so you can put it from URL. So let me now show you one with the normal addition. So I will go to add files, then I will go to desktop, this paper I am selecting, Economic Networks, the New Challenge. So as we see, the paper has come here, Economic Desktop New Challenges. We will see whether all those parameters are correct or wrong. So this is the paper. I have downloaded it from ResearchGate and kept this paper as a PDF file in my desktop. That is the way to do it. Here we have to check the name is fine, the paper is a journal article, so these two tick boxes are fine. Author names are fine, journal name is Science, year is 2009, volume is 325, issue is this, and the pages are this. So that means this is perfect. So we can try this. So let's copy this and we can try this inserting in our Word file. So let us go back to the Word file. Suppose we want to write one more line about network theory. So you watch that I am putting the in-text citation just before the full stop. Now I will click the insert citation and paste the name of the paper. You can see the name of the paper has arrived. That means the paper was inserted correctly. I'll press OK. So the interesting part is, since this paper is pasted here, automatically as we go down, we can't go down because the screen is fixed here, but as we go down we will see this paper is already in the citations. So once you put into the in-text citation, the paper automatically comes into the citation. So this is how this whole thing can be done. Hello and welcome once again. I hope that you all have gone through all the points that have been discussed in the middle of this video, and I hope you all have liked it, understood it clearly, and in your day-to-day work you will be able to use it. Please remember once again, citations and bibliography are not only to decorate your publication, but it will help you to get rid of the word called plagiarism. The better you cite, the more you come out of the word of plagiarism. So enjoy research, enjoy writing, and please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you get feedbacks and regular updates about a lot of other videos published during this time on research, how to do research, how to write research, and how to publish research, how to cite, etc., etc. Thank you for watching.